Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So today we're pretty much done with the fuel system. We're pretty much 99% done with the fuel system, just a few little details. But anyways, let me show you what I've done to finish it. Under the truck, we spliced into the tank, into the feed line from the selector valve. And that we looped over the frame and into the primary filter. So from there, it goes out the pump, and it loops back into the frame, and it goes all the way down the frame and up the rail. And you had already seen it, but again, we went through the frame rail, around the engine, and we teed in right there to the two fuel lines. And the return, pretty much the same thing. You had already seen how I did that. Now the actual wiring, this is the only part that I don't really have done yet. I haven't really connected to the battery, but that's pretty much it. Once we're ready, we'll connect this to the positive, negative. Our relay is already installed right there. And we ran our harness all the way down the fender. Down the side of the truck, well, under the truck, I guess, on the outside of the frame. And we hooked it up to the pump. It actually wasn't all that bad. It was actually pretty easy. But yeah, it actually wasn't that bad. It was really easy. Like the whole harness, it's perfect. They use really high quality wire, all really nice thick gauge wire. And it's all nice and wrapped up in that loom. So I was really happy with all that. It was super easy to do. And like I've said plenty of times before, I really don't like doing wiring, but this was painless. Like it really was painless. Oh, the only other thing that I have left to do is to connect this wire to a key-on wire on the fuse box. But I'm gonna leave that for later because, like I said, I can't really fire up the truck right now, and that's because I don't have the injectors on right now. Which brings me to the second part of this video, which is gonna be actually opening up the box and showing you what I actually got. So anyways, let's get to that. Okay, so this is what I got for injectors. We got them from Full Force Diesel, stage 1s. And like I said before, we actually got the injectors. We purchased them off of CP Addict. Super great company to work with. I'll leave their info down in the description. But let's check out the actual injectors. Now, if you get a box that feels kind of empty, it's probably gonna be your chip. But yeah, like I said, that's your chip if you sent your injectors in first. So that's what you got. Now for the injectors themselves, everything's actually super well packaged. I'm actually really pleased with that. Like I said, everything is really well packaged. And again, they come individually packaged, wrapped, and in a little Ziploc bag to not make a mess, because they're, as you can see, they have oil on them. So now again, what these are, they are stage 1 180 cc stock nozzle injectors. And basically the reason why I went with such a small injector is because I've mentioned it before, this is a stage 1, kind of like a very mild, just fun truck to drive around, you know, nothing too crazy. We'll leave the crazy for something else. But anyways, these should be pretty damn good injectors. They have all new parts inside. They're rebuilt injectors because they're kind of like the more budget-friendly way of getting the injectors. You'll spend about $1,000 more to get brand new injectors, which might be worth it to you, but I think these will be pretty good. Full Force is a pretty good company. I trust them, so I think they'll be good, and they have pretty good warranty with them too. The cool thing is that you can't even see it, but there's little holes all around this thing that fuel comes out of. It's pretty crazy. And when someone says that they got 30% over injectors or whatever, what they're referring to is the hole size on the actual tip of the injector. And what that does is it allows you to dump more fuel quicker, which will give you more power, but it'll also give you more smoke and higher EGTs. So if you go that route, you do want to make sure that you have all the necessary air upgrades, you know, turbo and all that stuff to go with these bad boys. But anyways, like I said, I actually do recommend that you guys order your injectors in first and then send your cores, because you'll get this really nice packaging to send your cores in after you're done pulling them out. I sent mine in first, which was a little bit of a mistake because my packaging got completely torn up during shipping, and I actually lost one of the injectors, so I had to pay an extra $50, which is not that bad, but it would have been nice to avoid that. So like I said, a good way to avoid that is to order your injectors in first, get this nice packaging, put your injectors in the box, and send them out. But I'm pretty happy. I'm gonna get to work on installing them, making some videos for you guys. It shouldn't be that bad. Like I said, I already have everything pulled out, so all we gotta do is throw them in, drain the cylinders, and fire the truck up. Should be pretty good. But we'll save that for the next video. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you for the next one.